In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can remove the background in your video. Let's get right into it. Click on screen right here. So this is a website we're coming into. It's called www.onscreen.com. So let's click on it. Once it opens up, we're gonna see some videos showing an example of what you can do, how removing the background will look like. So right here, it says upload clip. So right now I can upload the video I want to remove the background. So right here I can now remove the background. So what I'm going to do right now is click upload. So in case if I don't see the video right here, I can either click my camera and make the video, or browse through my phone. So I'm going to click on browse. Okay, so there's a video right here. I'm going to click on it. Okay, now let's scroll all the way up. Once we scroll up, you'll see preparing upload. Okay, so right now we have this appearing. It says please click each image containing a horse. So that's what we're going to click on, all the images that contain an horse. This one, this, and this. Then I click next. Another one, click this and this, then next. So now the video is being processed. So the background is being removed. So you can see right now we only have this image. It takes a couple of minutes, but after the background has been removed, you can now download it, but you're going to download it in a GIF format. So that's the only thing there. So I'm going to come down. You can now see download. So once I click this arrow here on the right hand side, I can download it as a GIF, download it as an animated PNG, or a single frame. But there's also a pro version, which is the paid version, which you can do more. So let's come over to the right hand side on screen pro. So click on screen pro. So these are some of the things you get when you're using the pro version: full HD resolution, full length clips, no watermark, video file download, API and plugins, and audio support. Let's come back to the free version. You can also replace the background with another one. Just come down to change background, click here. So right here you can see it says search background, and up here it says upload a background. So you can upload a background from your phone or from your laptop, depending on where you're accessing this website from. You can also replace it with a color background by clicking on the color. Look at it right here. Or replace it with an image by clicking on the image. You can have it see this how it looks like. So if I click this, so depending on the images, you can choose any one to replace the background with. Now I can download it, but take note that it has been reduced the length of the video. So notice it says here the clip length limited to 5 seconds. So let's go ahead and download it. You can choose its format, and let's just choose GIF. So I've chosen GIF, so now it's been downloaded. So take note of this, that for the free version, that the video length is automatically reduced to 5 seconds. But if you're using the pro version, you can download and remove the background of a whole video. But for the free version, only 5 seconds you're allowed to download. So that is a disadvantage using the free version. Since automatically your video is cut short to 5 seconds. Full length video. Okay, so now it's done downloading, but it says download again. So I think you click it again. Click on download again. One more time. Okay, so now I said file downloaded. That's good. So click on open, or we could just go back straight to our gallery. So I'm just going to do that. I'm just going to go over to the gallery. So I'm going to move it from here. So let's do that now. Okay, I'm in gallery. Click on gallery. So let's wait for it to... Okay, so that is the video right there. You can notice it's dark. We have a dark background. That's because we didn't replace it with any other background. We just removed it and downloaded it. So if this video has been useful to you, please follow me for more videos like this.